I'll be showing you how to use the Temu application like a pro. So you shop like a billionaire. Stay tuned. What's up guys, welcome as much as Mrs. Fashioners, either official ball. Don't forget to subscribe much at all. So today guys, take a look at the Temu shopping application here. So I'll show you how to use it. So this is pretty much the home screen or interface. At the top here is your search icon. You can pretty much search for what you want. Here you can see quite a lot of items you can purchase. You can also tap on this here to pretty much add it to your cart. Basic stuffs. Here you can go in the category section down here and pretty much see specific things that we like to purchase. Over here you have a quite specific stuff which you can select. Let's say pets supplies. You can go over here as well and see other stuff that you like to purchase. Here you have the 4-day delivery option, which fast delivery, I would say. So as you can see here, delivers fast. So as you can see, it arrives in 2 business days, which is very good. And also you have the cart section, which pretty much you will see all the items that you have added to the cart. And by just tapping on this add a cart icon here, you can pretty much add that item to your cart. And at the top here, you can scroll across to see pretty much different sections. Let's say the health sections, health items that we'd like to see, you can see here. And also add them to your cart. Very simple. Now, down here you might see a new section. Just tap on that there. This pretty much here will see all the interface that you will need to see as it relates to your orders, your messages, just some random message that you may send you, nothing much. Also the items that you have purchased, you will see there as well. So the review section, you can leave a review once you have purchased an item. Let's say I'm going this section here, you can leave a tap on this here to leave a review. All items that you have purchased, you have the option to leave a review on that item. So nothing much for that. Here you can also add your address. Guys, make sure you enter the correct address information for them to deliver the product to you. If you don't do that, you won't get the product. And here you also have the option to follow stores on this application. Most of you may not know that, but I'm going to select one of these items here. Let's say this iPhone. And here you can pretty much tap on this here where it says brand. And you can tap on this here. And you'll see other items that they offer. And you can also add those to your cart. But let me try a different item. So let me try this item here. And how do you find the store? You're going to see the store here, sold by. Once you tap on this here, you will see the store. You can also tap on the following option. Here it says following. And also you can go in the chat option to message the store. So either you want to share the store as well. You can share with your friends or families. And also you can tap on the search icon within that store. And you can pretty much search for items if they have it in their stores. Here you can see all the items that they have in their store. So nothing much for that. And you can see the reviews over here as it relates to the store specifically. And the categories that they have. You can see not much stuff. Let me just go back real quick. And that's really pretty much it. And at the top here you may have the support icon as it relates to your products. Let's say they haven't been delivered, you can get in contact with the support team of the application and they will help you out. So that's really pretty much it for this tutorial. And as I said, in this section here, you're going to need to add your payment method, whether your credit card, your debit card, you know what I mean. Here you have your region. Based on your Gmail account, it will just automatically set up a region for you, or you can change it to whatever region you want. Let's say you want to be in the US or your country, whatever you want it to be. Here you have the currency. You can change the currency to pretty much United, any other currency that you want to change it to. But you have to do that once you're signed up on the application. So here though, you can also switch your account and also log out. So let me just tap on the switch account here. You can also add your account as well. Let's say you have a different Temu account, you want to add it, you can go ahead and add it. Let's say you want to create the next Temu account, you can just tap on add account, and here you will see this where it says continue with a Google account or log in with your Apple ID or so forth. It will say those things if you're using an iPhone. So you can pretty much tap on continue with Google, even if you have selected the Gmail that doesn't or haven't been registered with Temu, it will automatically register it for you, so you don't have to worry. So that's pretty much it. And if you have problems signing in, you can also tap on this problem signing in option, and it will just help you out. So that's really pretty much it for this app, and it's a very, very good shopping app, guys. I would recommend you to check it out and let me know in the comment section. And without that said, guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.